Tutorial: How to return serves using the parallel theory by Coach EmRatThich. Returning serves is the hardest skill in table tennis. It's reactive, not proactive. Even with strong forehand or backhand, if you can't return serves, you're done. Today, I will teach you the parallel theory, the key to reading and returning all types of spin serves. Step 1. Read the spin. Look at how the opponent brushes the ball. If they brush the right side, it's right side spin. If they brush the left, it's left side spin. Most of these are combined with underspin. Step 2. Match the paddle angle. This is the core of the parallel theory. If their paddle points right, you angle your paddle right. If theirs points left, you go left. If theirs points up, open your blade up too. Your racket must be parallel to theirs.
I'll demonstrate how to return serve. This serve has left side spin. This one has right side spin. It brushes the right side of the ball. If you receive like this, it flies right. This shot brushes the left side. Both are underspin serves. Here's another right side spin from the front. Watch the female coach. She shows 3 common serves: left side spin, right side spin, and pure underspin. Today I'll teach you how to return them. Serve return is the hardest skill. It's reactive. No matter how strong your forehand or backhand is, if you can't return serves, it's useless. Let me teach you the parallel theory, so you won't miss serves anymore. If the paddle angle is like this, you match that angle. Both paddles face right, easier to keep on table. If their paddle points up, you match upward too. If angled left, you go left. Match the angle to return. If you return with a flat blade against side spin, the ball flies off. Wrong angle. Watch, it flies sideways. That's incorrect. So apply the parallel theory. Match the server's paddle angle. Now see me return. Go ahead, serve. Ball goes straight. Perfect return. Flat serve, I return flat. Return is simple if you understand angle. Backhand, same, flat return. Just push it forward. Don't use wrist. Use elbow to push forward. Now with slight angle. Match their angle. Both paddles face right, correct angle. Now, the hook serve. Hook serve is harder to return. It flies off due to strong side spin. Hook serve equals right side spin. So paddle faces left. You must angle left too. It's hard because of wrist adjustment. Uncomfortable but necessary. Apply the parallel theory. Match the angle, like this. Now serve. My paddle stays here, ball returns easily. It's simple. If I use the wrong angle, ball flies off. Wrong again. But correct angle, it works. Now control the height. Push long, drive forward. Want short, tap downward. Here's a trick to help. See, based on the angle of their serve, I'll match it accordingly. From this angle, both paddles face right. This is the correct angle. Alright, now for a hook serve. Hook serves are challenging to return. See, it flies off to the side. This serve has strong spin. How should you return it? A hook serve essentially has right side spin. Since it's right side spin, it can feel a bit uncomfortable. This is what makes hook serves hard to return. So how should you return it? Apply the parallel theory. When they serve like this, go parallel to theirs. As long as my paddle angle matches, the ball goes over easily. See, I just hold my paddle here and the ball automatically returns. It's not hard at all. If I try it like this, the ball flies off. This isn't correct. But if I do it like this, it works. Next, control the ball's height. If I want to push long, I simply drive forward. For a short placement, I just tap downward. Now here's a trick to help you return better. It's all about force direction. Watch as the opponent contacts the ball. Are they pushing down or up? I'll demonstrate. First, let's try an upward force. The opponent's force direction is upward. They're hitting the bottom of the ball, rushing upward. So when returning, I should apply downward force. They go up, I go down, based on the parallel theory. If they serve like this approach won't work. Back to the parallel concept. They go up, you go down. Is the opponent applying an upward force? At this moment, they're upward. You should apply a downward force. When the opponent serves with topspin, we need to apply a downward force, while keeping the paddle parallel. This results in a stable, high-quality return. If they're brushing upward, what happens if I also push up while returning? This is the result. They go up, I go down. And the ball goes over. Same with the backhand. They go up, I go down. For the forehand flick, it's the same. If they go up and I go up too, the ball goes out. If they go up, I go forward or down. This neutralizes the spin. If I only push forward, the ball may go out. This is a force balancing process. So we must apply a downward force to return it steadily. This is a backspin serve. Don't go down with them. That's why many players fail against backspin. Instead, push forward. See, no problem. Just push forward. Now let's begin. If they go down, perfect. The ball goes over. I push forward as they go down.